Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my horizontal classic size happy planner that I use for journaling. This is for the week of Easter, March 25th through the 31st. I'm super excited about this spread because I have a vision, another vision. I grabbed these two washies and I just feel like this is going to be one of the prettiest spreads I've ever decorated because of the colors in these florals. So I'm going to use Charming Bouquets. These are some new stickers that are available in my shop, thepleasantlyplanned.com. And I'm also going to use the boxes out of the sticker kit. So I'm super excited to put this together. These washies just like ignited a fire of inspiration in me. So I'm really hoping that what I do with this spread will live up to my own expectations. I'm not even sure that I'm going to put quotes in this week's spread, so let's just kind of see what happens. Deep breath. Yeah, because I've got myself all hyped up here. So do I want to use, I'm not going to use the big sticker sheet. I think I'm going to use the small one. And I'm going to start up here. Actually, am I? No. I said I have a vision. I only have a vision for the washi tape, not for the rest of the spread. So, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get some wax paper, and I'm going to put this sticker down, and I'm going to lay some boxes down, and then decorate around the boxes. So, let's start with this pink. And what am I going to do here? All right, so I think I'm going to start here. And I'm not going to white out anything. I think I'm going to try this spread and see how I do without whiting out anything. Just to give it a go and see what happens. And then I think I'm going to take this. I said I wasn't going to white out anything. I meant like the gray lines. I am going to white out these dark lines of the colors in the boxes. Just because I don't want to take away from that box. But as far as like the gray lines, I'm not going to white those out. And then let's see if I can't. All right, let's put some florals down real quick and get this started. I don't know if I want to lay over the boxes or if I want to cut down and go around the boxes, or like, you know what I mean, like peeking behind the boxes, kind of like I normally do. I'm going to lay over top. I'm going to make it simple. I'm going to lay it over top of the boxes and just try to keep things simple today. This might be actually pretty this way too. And then I think I'm going to take a blue box. I actually should have laid the blue box underneath this floral. So I'm going to attempt. Don't know if it's going to work out, but I'm going to attempt it. Just to kind of go with that same theme of the florals being on top of the boxes. Crooked. It's gonna have to stay crooked because I ripped my page. Okay. Oops. Okay. All right. So that's really cute. And then let's see. I might want to put a little something down here. So why don't we take and cut? I'm thinking decisions, decisions, decisions. I'm going to take this and just kind of lay it down here. And then I think what I'm going to do is take a little bit of this washi. If I can find the end. Now this has silver foil in it. And I generally try to steer away from foil, but since I'm not posting on Instagram like actual photos anymore, I don't have to really be concerned with foil. The only reason I steered away from it before was because foil is really hard to take a photo of. But since I'm not really posting photos on Instagram, everything's kind of moved to video, I think I will be okay. Alright, so now I kind of feel like I want to do a little bit down here. Just make one big cluster. And this washi is actually lighter, unless I do 2 rows. No, I'm just going to stick with one. It's actually lighter on paper than it is on the roll, but I'm going to keep going with it. So, yeah. So I think I might take... I'm going to take a little bit and put here. I may not even end up using that pink, the pink stripes. We'll see. This little cluster here is really pretty. It's really pretty. So I kind of feel like I want a little floral to go here. So I'm thinking I might cut, well actually I could just do this whole cluster. That's what I'm going to do. It's going to kind of cover up the other one, but I'm going to see what it looks like. I think it's pretty. Yep, I think it's really pretty. Okay, so let's move. Actually, let's try. I think I'm going to steer away from this washi. So I think we're just going to use the teal color. This is really pretty. It's totally out of the norm because I normally decorate like corners, but not decorating corners today. I do think I probably am going to grab a quote or two, but let's go ahead and do another cluster though on this side and kind of do it the opposite of what we did over here. So let's start like right here, lay that down, and then let's see, let me get this vision correct in my head. We'll put this one up here, maybe like this. I'm going to just lay this over to the side for a second. And then we'll kind of do this. Put this one over here somewhere once I actually fill in with some florals. Actually, I can fill in with florals since I'm putting my florals over top. I'm thinking here. And I think I'm actually going to do another, I might actually do another pink one. Put these two together. That's something I've never done before. I've never put two of the same color boxes together. So this is going to be, again, out of my comfort zone. I do like stepping out of my comfort zone once in a while, believe it or not. Okay, and then we're going to take this and just white out here, down. I don't like the way I layered that. Ugh, I don't like that at all, but I'll never get it up. So we're going to work with it. We're going to go with it. Now, let's see. Let's take this. Kind of go like that. And then I'm gonna have to grab a second sheet. I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna put this one here. I feel like I need a little something there, and I definitely need something here. I'm thinking. Let's take this one and put down here. I definitely need something here. I wonder if I have a mini. Hold on. Let's see if I have a mini already cut. If I do, I think that'll, yes, I do. That'll be perfect. So let's see what we can do right here. Let's take this one. It's really pretty. It is. It's really pretty. So let's take the washi now and fill in with the washi. And we'll come over here. I think just to kind of try to make the other side match, I'm going to put this underneath the little box there. Yeah, this is really pretty actually, you guys. Even though there's nothing at the top and the bottom, it's really pretty. Like, it came together so well, and it was so simple because I didn't even make any cuts on my florals. Like, that just blows my mind how pretty it turned out without any cuts. I think I do want to grab a couple quotes though, so let me see. Since this is the week of Easter, I can definitely use some quotes. So we're going to do He is Risen on Sunday. Oh, that just finished the whole cluster right there. That is so pretty, y'all. And then I think we're going to do He Lives, or No Bunny Loves You Like Jesus. We're going to do He Lives right over here on Tuesday. Even though Tuesday is not like Resurrection Day or anything like that, we can definitely still use He Lives on this spread because it's an Easter spread. Look how pretty this is. It turned out so cute. I can't wait to write in it. So again, as I normally say, if I run out of room, I'm just going to grab a sheet of filler paper and throw in between the weeks, and I'll just throw a little date up there and continue writing whatever I need to write if I run out of room on my days. It's a very simple fix. You know, if you do run out of room on one of your spreads because you use too many stickers like I do. So, all right, so that's going to be it for this video. Let's put it back in my planner. And like I said in the last one, I am filming ahead. So I'm actually filming this video on Monday the 18th. So I have not written in my planners yet for this week. So yeah, I'm excited to be ahead of the game. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Head over to my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com. If this video gets aired and is live in time before the 31st, you can save 50% off of any and all stickers in my shop. Again, thepleasantlyplanned.com. So that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.